Troy the toy. What? He calls you Toy. You too? Oh yeah, he does. I'm serious. I know.
I got a camera too.
Skibbity. This guy has more normal luck than Frank though.
I got 3 extra oranges.
Nice. I got 2.
Bro, this camera, right?
Oh my god.
He's always
has so much aura. He's at the front.
my legs are to see Bill. The gimbal.
My water bottle keeps smacking my thigh.
Mine's on my backpack.
Mine's clinging onto my pants.
Oh shit! Well, my camera's gonna fall soon.
My water bottle keeps hitting me in the thigh.
Yeah. You want to wave hi?
Huh?
You want to wave hi?
That was good. Sweet.
You're not supposed to throw them.
Where's Frank? No. Is that something? Or looks like Frank? I'm a Jaeger pilot.
Why are they so slow?
No idea. Hey, you can't kill me. I gave you that thingy ability. I know. I'm not gonna kill
I
you.
use it. My legs is in pain.
No, it's not gonna help. You have to get 2 of them if you wanna work it. Oh yeah. I'm just dragging this by now. See?
What is this?
Camera.
Noise.
Just resting.
What is it attached to right now?
My head.
This is a game
Oh,
check.
SD kind of.
It feels like it's been more than a month.
It's more of a battery pack.
Why did they us? Why they keep going? Okay, I guess they got it. This is called.
Bless you.
Well, now I don't know if it's a boss battle.
First.
Okay, scouts line up. Okay, stand up right here. Scout. Right here. Nói là chụp hướng này là thân có cây. So now get that as the backdrop. So right here. Okay, sideways like this. Yeah, no backdrop. Backdrop. So here, this one. Yeah, backdrop. So right here.
Okay, right.
Okay, quả đen vừa cho stand up right here. Quả đen.
Okay, come on, guys. Frank?
Are we lining?
Yep. Sooner we get the picture, sooner we leave again, we go.
Okay. Right there, it's good. Okay, guys. Scouts, make 3 lines.
To your right. Forward to the right and then try and
Troy, you're not tough. Come here, boy. One line kneeling. And then
I now have a sword.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
All folks in the back. And then sit.
Don't drink it.
That's why you refill your water, Frank. In the back.
Excuse me.
Guys, look. The tall folks in the back.
This one up here.
The cutoff is right here. So scoot in. There's kneelers and sitter.
I'm standing with my stick in pride.
Then you have to be outside. You gotta block someone's face. You gotta put it down. You gotta block someone's face. Okay.
Let's go to the benches over there.
Okay, right here. You guys scoot in. Otherwise, your face are too small. The cutoff is right here.
Okay,
Move
Josh,
over.
Neil.
I want to be a sitter.
okay, Andrew.
Danny can stand, I can stand. Yep. Neil. I'm only the same height as you. No.
Okay. All right.
No, sorry. Sorry. You're blocking people.
Kneel down. Kneel down,
Yo, Neil. Aaron.
Troy, you're not kneeling.
I'm 5'2".
Okay, here it goes. Okay, Frank, come in, Frank.
Ouch, my knee.
Frank, where are you?
Yo.
Ow.
Come here, Frank. Come here.
My ankle.
Nathan.
Come here. We don't see you.
Okay,
Granny
guys.
keeps touching my buddy.
Okay, look up. Look at the yoke.
There you go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, here it goes again.
No, it's fine.
1,
They can see me.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Vô chân dụng.
Nathan, I think you're a little short.
Just stay.
No, Brendan.
I'm not too tall. I'm not too tall. Để gần cái nó tắt.
Yo, Jung, we can't see Nathan. Nathan, right in front of me, okay?
Oh, then it's just outside.
Neil.
Outside meeting.
Hey, Brett Titty. William, Neil. Go on my shoulder.
No.
Just give me your arm. Neil, boy.
Yo, actually.
Miserable.
Okay, guys.
5, 1, 2, 3, cheese. Lock.
Up, boy.
Cheese.
Okay, good.
We'll
Looking down the whole time.
Oh, that's mine. That's right. That's mine.
Too bad.
It's yours. That's so worse. What? You just spent that. It's right there.
It's okay. Shoot, did I just touch poison? The accident?
Do you know what poison oak looks like?
Forgot.
Hey Charlie, when we get back down to go some exploring, maybe hunt for walkers.
No.
Oh man.
Like at night. At night.
I bet.
You don't want to go at night, Joey.
Đứng để ý cái thằng Frank
Why?
sau này, đi phía trước.
How come not at night?
That's when the Wendigos come out.
Wendigos live more in the rocky areas, remember?
Yeah, but there's a chance they're here. I told you.
Franklin, you the last one?
You just passed.
Huh?
And again. You know.
Where?
Hey Frank, the last one, phải không anh Huy? No, it was Howie. No, Nolan's up in front.
We've been, oh shoot. We've been walking for like 30 something minutes.
No, they're cooking on trail. They're cooking on the trail.
Go!
That's what water is.
Shut up!
Okay guys, let's go to the main road.
I got so many rides!
John, you ready one? Anh phải anh dán đó hả? Lịch sự thế.
Gretchen, we start fishing.
Yo, không mà.
Yo, look, we got rides.
Can I touch you?
Oh, okay.
Please?
Get in line. What are you doing?
Can I touch you?
1, 2,
Line up your neck out.
3, 4.
2 lines. 20.
Go! Get in one line!
Huh?
Bet.
I need rods.
2,
4,
5,
7,
9,
10, 11,
12, 13,
14.
15, 16,
17,
18.
20. I think Grant and Tristan are in the bathroom.
23.
Oh no, Grant's right here. So just Tristan in the bathroom.
I'm gonna go use the restroom.